Hello, and what's up? I'm back at the Singapore Botanic Garden. You may be asking me, I've came here so many times. Are there still things that I have not shown? Yes, in fact, there is a new Canopy Link bridge that is newly opened during January this year, 2022. So this link bridge serves as a connection between the two very important parts of the Botanical Garden, the Gallop extension and also the learning forest. Why is this important? Because these two particular sections of the botanical garden serve as a buffer against urban development. So this is very important. So lace up your shoelace, sit tight, because here we go. I think this is what we came here for. I think this is part of the Canopy Link Bridge. So now I just need to look for the entrance, or rather the start point of the Canopy Bridge. I thought that was the Canopy Link Bridge. I was so wrong. That was not the Canopy Link Bridge. That is just part of the learning forest. The Canopy Link Bridge, according to the signboard, it is about 150 meters from where I am right now. So I'm heading over there to check it out. So this is the Canopy Bridge. The other one that I just spent about 15 minutes walking through, that is not the Canopy Bridge. But there's still more to see with this part than the Canopy Bridge. Let's go and check out the Gallop extension that links the learning forest and the Gallop extension together. So let's go and check it out. Honestly, I cannot think of a better place to end it than right here, right in front of the Forest Discovery Center. Too bad it's not operational yet, so it's not open for public viewing. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Catch you guys on the next one.